Hi folks, my name is Blake, and for a while now I've been doing machine learning videos starting from the very basics and maturing the problems as they go. A couple of times I've started with, hey, this is how you start from the very beginning. It's Thanksgiving weekend. Happy Thanksgiving to those who are US citizens. We have a nice long 4-day weekend, and I have finally gone out and bought the parts to build a new computer. So we're actually going to be starting a multi-part series, and I'm going to be going from, parts to built computer to installing Windows, installing Unity, installing ML agents, all the way through to having a trained agent. So this is going to be a total stem to stern series on how to start with absolutely nothing. Now, I know many of you have computers, right? And you don't need a computer that's going to be as powerful as the one we're doing, right? The current machine that I'm using is 4 years old, and it's been perfectly capable of doing these videos, but there was a new CPU out. I was really excited, so I may have splurged a little bit, but we're going to take that as a learning experience for anybody who hasn't done any of this stuff, and just from beginning to end, document, video the whole thing, get it all up there in a multi-part series. So that's what we're going to be doing over the next few days. I hope you stay tuned and stay engaged. As always, questions, comments, leave it here or leave it in the Patreon. Until then, good luck and happy learning.